Okay guys, today I'm gonna cook creamy garlic bacon pasta. Okay, so mauni ang atong mga ingredients guys. Black pepper, salt, cream, parmesan cheese, cream of mushroom soup, Campbell's. I use Campbell's guys. And then butter, garlic, onions, and then bacon. To start, I'm gonna add the bacon. Okay guys, and then ato ibutang ang garlic. Gisahon na to ang garlic una guys. Ya dili lang nato pa paguron. Nya dayon ang onions. Okay, giuna ang gisang garlic, ya dayon ang onions. Dayon ang bacon guys. Ato sa gisahon ng bacon, palutoon sa nato guys. Unya ang pasta di ay guys, giluto na po to sa sulod guys. Okay. So, we gonna wait until the bacon is cooked guys. So, we gonna come back. The bacon is cooked. So, we gonna add the cream. And then this one guys, the cream of mushroom soup, Campbell brand. Okay. Okay, I add pasta water. I'm gonna taste. Okay. Okay guys, I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. More salt. A little more of pasta water. I'm gonna add a parmesan cheese. Okay, and now it's time for the pasta. Al dente. Okay. Okay guys, this is our creamy garlic bacon pasta. Okay guys, so it's done. I'm gonna get it's done. So I'm gonna garnish this one it. Okay, I'm gonna taste, guys. Okay, guys, so this is it. I'm gonna taste it. Super hot. This is our creamy garlic bacon pasta. It's done. Okay, guys. If you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_Bru_Ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram. And to all my accounts, guys, my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, personal blog. And to my personal blog, Lilia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.